Alright everyone, this is day one of the DC trip, and we are not in DC. I am still at my house or apartment, whatever you want to call it. I'm just getting ready. It's Saturday, March 4th? March 4th. We leave tomorrow at 2:45, so I will be filming that later. But today is just sort of a small little video leading up to that. I'm still debating whether I should do like separate videos or just like film a bit, compile it together and make either like a 30 or 20-minute long video. We'll see. It's a week over there in DC, so there might be a lot to film, a lot to take pictures of, and all that stuff. But yeah, I keep talking way too much. I'm just in the kitchen. I'm gonna just eat breakfast, try and get ready for work, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, hi everyone. It's 1:20 in the morning. I'm gonna just make a couple snacks and then try and eat breakfast, and then I'm gonna dip. I'm gonna try and get some B-roll of heading to the bus stop, and yeah. But I also just realized I keep filming from the kitchen, so yeah. All right, we're in the car. I'm with my dad, and he's gonna go drop me off at the place right now. If you can't see my face, it's okay. It's like dark in here. My dad's right there. But yeah. Okay, we're here at the drop off. All the cars are here. My friends are over there, they're chilling. And I think people are just waiting in the cars. Because the bus gets here at 2:45 and you know, we're here a little early. But yeah, I think people are trying to organize themselves right now.
Hello. How are you?
Cool. There's Stephanie and Toby's right there.
He keeps saying he's not gonna snuggle. You know
Roberto!
Hello?
Right there.
Dude, is this a vlog? Is this a vlog?
Yeah, I've been doing a vlog.
Robert.
Yes.
He can't say no if he's asleep.
What?
I'm just.
We're packing here. We're going to the bus. And then we got Roberto over here.
I am Roberto.
Alright, let's go, Nathan. You're on camera. Okay, so we're in our hotel. I'm in the bathroom. The shower head looks pretty weird. Look at that. And the controls on the how to. I don't know how any of this works, so that might be scary when I take a shower. They gave us shampoo, conditioner, and gel. I don't know what that is. I just use soap. But yeah, super fancy. They got square faucets, soap, and a buttload of towels. I don't know why I'm giving a review on the bathroom, but yeah, all right. We're gonna give you a tour of the actual thing. I don't like this door though. You don't close it. So to unlock it, you have to do this, and then you slide it. And then yeah, all right. We got some nice artwork, a bench that is really empty. I don't want to break anything. We got some paper, a pen, a nice looking lamp, real snazzy. We have a bed. This is gonna be for our other roommates. So it's me and Nathan, because we're from the same school, and then 2 other students. I don't know if they're also gonna be from the same school or one of each, but yeah. Pretty big ass TV. We have a coffee machine for some reason. We have Keurig. I don't think there's even. Oh yeah, there's coffee stuff in there. That's kind of weird. Oh, there's a mini fridge and there's 2 bottles of water. That's sick. Huh? Yeah, there's a mini fridge. There's a Bible. Oh my god, that's sick. Oh, we have another fancy looking lamp. How do you turn this on? Where's the? Look at this. You ready? Boom. Fancy. Fancy. Oh, that's Nathan's stuff. View from outside looks pretty cool. And then I have all my junk here because I'm not neat like Nathan. But yeah, that's so far day 1 of our trip. We have about an hour to chill in the hotel, and then we gotta go eat. We're gonna go to dinner. We gotta go get. We don't have to get dressed up, do we?
No.
We just go like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah. I'm still debating whether I want to shower or just crash, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Are they protesting? What are they doing?
This is not a protest.
University?
Good. Yeah.
What does the shirt say? All right, so we just finished the weird debate things, and we're wrapping up the day. Nathan's there doing his homework. I'm gonna expose his man on camera. That's our boy Jesse. He's from Mass. We're from California, so we're meeting people from different states. Very cool guy. He's watching the Celtics game right now because he's cool like that. And yeah, that's pretty much day 1 of the DC trip. It took a while to get here, but we're gonna get some sleep, all that good stuff, and then we should be set for day 2. I'm not too sure what we're doing. I should probably look at the schedule, but I'm really lazy. But yeah. All right. Well, that's pretty much that.